Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how wealth is created, making it easier than ever to build automated businesses and generate passive income. From AI-powered content creation to smart investing, opportunities are everywhere. The best part? No technical expertise is needed, but which AI income streams are the most profitable right now? Let's dive in. AI as a wealth-building opportunity. AI is transforming industries faster than ever before. From healthcare to finance, AI is not just improving efficiency, but also creating new business models. The most exciting part? AI is no longer limited to big corporations. Anyone can use AI to generate wealth. Businesses, marketers, freelancers, and even students are using AI to automate tasks, analyze data, and create digital products that sell. What makes AI so powerful for wealth creation? The answer lies in automation and scalability. Unlike traditional businesses that require manual work and constant effort, AI allows for automated processes, meaning income can be generated even while sleeping. AI-powered tools can write content, design graphics, edit videos, and even provide customer support, all without human intervention. This level of automation creates financial freedom, allowing individuals to focus on scaling their businesses rather than working in them. The demand for AI-driven solutions is skyrocketing. Companies and individuals are willing to pay a premium for AI-powered tools that save time, reduce costs, and improve productivity. Right now is the perfect time to leverage AI because it is still in its early stages. Those who start today will have a massive advantage in the future as AI becomes even more integrated into everyday life. How to start making money with AI. There are several ways to start making money with AI, even without technical skills. One of the easiest and most profitable methods is freelancing with AI tools. AI-powered software like Jasper AI, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic can generate high-quality content in minutes, allowing freelancers to offer writing, copywriting, and marketing services with minimal effort. Many freelancers on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are already making thousands of dollars per month using AI to enhance their work. Another lucrative option is creating and selling AI-powered digital products. Ebooks, online courses, and templates generated with AI can be sold repeatedly, creating a passive income stream. With tools like ChatGPT and AI-powered design platforms, it's easier than ever to create high-quality digital products that attract buyers. For those interested in e-commerce, AI-powered automation can take online stores to the next level. AI chatbots handle customer inquiries, automated tools generate product descriptions, and AI-driven ad platforms optimize marketing campaigns. With AI, even a single-person e-commerce business can run efficiently, competing with larger brands. Another powerful AI income stream is investing. AI-powered stock trading and crypto investing are growing industries where predictive analytics and algorithmic trading provide higher accuracy in investment decisions. AI investment tools like Trade Ideas and Kavod help traders make data-driven decisions, reducing risks and improving returns. For those looking to scale, starting an AI-powered agency is a great business model. Businesses struggle with AI adoption, and offering AI automation services is in high demand. Assisting businesses in implementing AI for marketing, customer service, and workflow automation can generate high-ticket income. Entrepreneurs can start small, offering services manually, and later scale by hiring AI specialists or using AI tools to automate processes. The most profitable AI income streams. Some AI income streams are easier to start than others. Here are the most profitable AI-driven opportunities today. 1. AI content creation, writing blog posts, sales copy, and product descriptions using AI tools like Jasper AI or Copy.ai. Businesses are willing to pay for high-quality AI-generated content. 2. AI-powered e-commerce, automating customer service, product descriptions, and marketing using AI chatbots and automation tools. This allows businesses to run with minimal human involvement. 3. AI stock trading and crypto investing, using AI algorithms for predictive analytics to make smarter investment decisions. AI-powered investment platforms are helping traders maximize profits. 4th, AI freelancing and consulting, providing AI-powered services like video editing, graphic design, and social media management. AI tools like Canva AI and Runway AI make these services faster and more efficient. 5. AI chatbots and virtual assistants, developing AI chatbots for businesses to improve customer support and engagement. Companies pay well for AI chatbot development and automation solutions. 6th, AI-generated art, music, and NFTs. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E are revolutionizing digital art creation, allowing artists to sell AI-generated art and NFTs for significant profits. Each of these AI income streams has the potential for scalability and automation, making them excellent choices for long-term wealth creation. When is the right time to start with AI? AI is transforming industries at a speed never seen before, making now the perfect time to start leveraging it for financial growth. Businesses are adopting AI to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and increase profits. As AI technology continues to evolve, those who take action early will have a major advantage. Delaying too long may mean missing out on valuable opportunities that are still emerging. One of the biggest changes AI is bringing is the automation of jobs. Many tasks that once required human effort are now being handled by AI-driven systems. Instead of fearing job loss, individuals can use AI to enhance their skills and productivity. Learning how to work with AI rather than against it is the key to staying ahead in an AI-driven world. Those who embrace AI-powered tools will have better career prospects and business opportunities. For investors, AI offers significant potential for long-term financial gains. Companies focused on AI, automation, and machine learning are expected to grow rapidly. Investing in AI stocks, AI-powered SaaS businesses, and automation startups can lead to high returns as these technologies become more widely adopted. Early investments in AI-focused companies could yield major financial benefits in the years ahead. For entrepreneurs, AI presents an opportunity to start and scale businesses efficiently. AI-powered side hustles, such as AI-driven content creation, e-commerce automation, and chatbot services, can generate steady income. Once a business starts making consistent profits, it can be expanded into a full-time venture. With AI creating new possibilities every day, now is the best time to take action. Where to find AI tools and resources? Starting with AI doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Many free and affordable tools are available, making it easy for beginners to explore AI-driven business opportunities. Whether it's learning new skills, automating workflows, or connecting with AI entrepreneurs, the right resources can help anyone get started on their AI journey. For those looking to build AI skills, online learning platforms offer excellent beginner-friendly courses. Coursera provides courses like AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng, which explains AI concepts in simple terms without requiring technical expertise. These courses help individuals understand how AI works and how to apply it to business. YouTube is another valuable resource, with channels like Matt Wolf's AI Authority offering free tutorials and insights into AI-powered business strategies. By following experts and engaging with educational content, beginners can quickly learn how to use AI for wealth creation. AI-powered automation tools make it possible to streamline business processes without coding knowledge. Tools like Zapier allow users to connect different software applications, automating repetitive tasks such as email responses and data entry. ManyChat is a powerful chatbot builder that enables businesses to create AI-driven customer service and marketing solutions. For those interested in AI-generated content, Jasper AI and WriteSonic help automate writing tasks, making it easier to produce blog posts, ads, and social media content. Networking with AI entrepreneurs can also open doors to new opportunities. Platforms like LinkedIn and Reddit have active communities where AI professionals and business owners share ideas and strategies. Specialized AI startup incubators provide mentorship and collaboration opportunities, helping new entrepreneurs launch successful AI-driven ventures. Connecting with like-minded individuals accelerates learning and offers valuable support in navigating the AI business landscape. Success stories: who is making millions with AI? Many entrepreneurs and investors have already made millions using AI, proving that artificial intelligence is not just a trend, but a powerful tool for wealth creation. Elon Musk has integrated AI into Tesla's self-driving technology, making cars smarter and more efficient. His use of AI-driven automation has helped Tesla remain a leader in the electric vehicle industry. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has played a major role in bringing AI to the mainstream with tools like ChatGPT, which businesses and individuals now use for content creation, automation, and customer service. Investors like Kai-Fu Lee have long predicted that AI will transform economies.
A lot of things will become automated. We'll have automated stores, automated restaurants, and altogether in 15 years, that's going to displace about 40% of jobs in the world.
And his investments in AI-driven startups have proven highly successful. He believes that those who adopt AI early will have a significant advantage in the job market and business world. AI is already reshaping industries, and those who understand its potential are reaping huge financial rewards. Even beginners with no technical background have turned AI into profitable businesses. Many freelancers use AI writing tools like Jasper AI to generate content quickly, allowing them to complete more projects and earn six-figure incomes. AI-powered e-commerce stores use automation to handle customer service, marketing, and inventory management, enabling small businesses to scale without large teams. AI is leveling the playing field, allowing anyone willing to learn and adapt to build a successful, AI-driven business. In conclusion, AI is one of the greatest wealth-building tools of the modern era. Whether through AI freelancing, e-commerce automation, AI investing, or chatbot development, there are endless opportunities to make money. The best part? Many AI tools require no coding skills, making it easier than ever for beginners to get started. The AI revolution is happening now. Those who embrace AI early will gain a massive advantage, while those who ignore it risk being left behind. The time to take action is today. Want to start making money with AI? Check out the AI tools and strategies mentioned in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment with your thoughts. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest AI business opportunities. AI is the future. Be part of it today.